Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, I am Alice and you're welcome to my channel. To my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I care for my freshly made mini braid. I'm going to be showing you guys how I moisturize and seal my braids, my freshly made mini braids. So the first thing I use is my oil. Whatever oil you have, you can use any kind of oil that you have available with you, but this particular oil I use is clove oil. Sometimes I make use of my coconut oil, but in this video I made use of my clove oil. So the first thing I do is I go over to massage my scalp with the oil properly. Like, you must ensure that you massage every part of your scalp gently and thoroughly. So after massaging my scalp, I went over with the oil to also apply it around the ends of the hair and also the strands of the hair. So make sure you apply it around the ends, the tip of the hair, because it is very important to prevent split end, and also it helps with length retention as well. It also prevents frizziness of the hair. So after the oil, I make use of my hair cream. Sometimes I use my chebe butter or my shea butter, but in this video I made use of my hair cream and I only apply this to my hair strand. You can also use this for the scalp as well, because in the instruction you can use it for the scalp, but I use it for my hair strand alone. So guys, this is how I care for my hair. This is how I keep it moisturized. This is how I prevent it from dryness, and this is how I prevent frizziness and also split end. And yeah, you can see I do this 2 or 3 times in a week, so you can also ensure that you try as much as you can to do this as well whenever you're on braids. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Make sure you subscribe and give the video a big thumbs up if you like it. See you guys in my next video. For now, bye bye.